I was having this stuck recoil pull rope. It would stick all the way out, and if I took the whole cover off this 660 repair kit, this is all Farmertec, even the original rope here and the original spring. If I had this thing pulled out and I couldn't get it to move, I could just touch this and just twist it a little bit, in this case counterclockwise, and it would snap right back in. I could even do it actually from the outside without taking it off the saw, putting a pick in there and just kind of grabbing the pulley and flicking the pulley, I think clockwise in this case, yeah, clockwise from this direction, just kind of pick and sort of bend down, and whoop, it'd come back, and I could continue starting this thing. Tried a whole bunch of things, tried troubleshooting, tried modifying this wire. I filed on the pawls because they had a little bit of, I don't know if it's stamped or, I don't know how they're made, the plastic, but they had a little flash on them, maybe from a mold. I messed with all of this. I replaced the rope. Nothing really worked. I finally installed an OEM flat spring that I had bought back in March of this year. This is the Farmertec, and I bent this during my troubleshooting. It looked fine when I took it out, except it was dirty. There was grime and stuff that you'd expect from maybe a chainsaw, and maybe that was more of a, because that's kind of a sealed, that's sort of supposed to be kind of sealed up in there, and maybe that was more a function of the failure, was maybe this just doesn't seal nicely. It's not tight enough. I don't know. But anyway, I do want to give you the part number. So the part number on my old order here is 12919000600. It is listed for those 4 models. However, it actually does work just fine for the 660. And it came from Seth Specialty Chainsaw Chain. It came in this thing. This is an installer aid, and so that without the pulley there, you can set this in there and press the spring out of it. So that was a really cool little feature that Steel has here. I don't know if I can maybe put one back in, but I use a nail to do all that work. But anyway, there's the sticker. So I think it was OEM really, but that seems to have made this better. I don't want to try to mess with this on camera, but when I pull on this, it really does feel a little bit better at the very top where the other one would bind a little bit. Now, I have a 440 repair kit from Farmertec, and I have 180. I got a Neotech 660 and another Neotech 660. None of them exhibit this problem. So it makes me think that maybe something might have been slightly wrong with this particular piece. But I like the Farmertecs. They're about a quarter of the price of a steel one, which is pathetic, because if a steel one was twice as much, I probably would buy those, but they're 4 times more. So I like, what I like to do about these, they're really cheap, so you gotta act like they're really cheap. And the best way to do that is to put them together the best you can, if you buy the kit, and see what is not right on them. You know, if you want to pay the 4X and guarantee it works perfectly, I support you doing that. But I like to tinker, so we'll run this a while and we'll see what happens. I'll have to get my little foofy head cut off of here, or melt it or something. But thanks for watching.